beautiful day to be alive.
Hey guys, welcome back to a brand new video. If you're new here, my name is Brianna. Before you leave, make sure to subscribe to my channel and don't forget to like this video before you go. Today's video, we are going to actually be talking about Rizos curls products. So like everyone else, I actually stumbled across their products through TikTok. Gonna go ahead and insert the TikTok that was like, I need that is a game changer, I need to try it now. I have never really been one to embrace my curls, and after watching that video, I decided that I needed to go ahead and give it a try. My curls have been put away, been sleeping for many years. Because it is so hot here in Texas, I decided that I wanted to keep my hair natural. So I went to Ulta here in Texas around where I live, and they actually didn't hold Rizos curls products. They looked at me like I was crazy. And unfortunately here in Texas, I don't think you can find Rizos curls in store, but Target had them right where I needed them. So I went to Target, picked up 2 products, hoping that I could achieve this look, and this look too that's on the packaging, and it definitely did just that. I looked just like the girl in the picture on this packaging. I have heard so many reviews about Rizos curls, and I decided that I'm gonna show you how I've been using it and how much I really love this product because it is life changing. If you're a mama or someone that's on the go like me all the time, these will save your life. I'm gonna show you how I use Rizos products. Really simple. I don't do any of the curling, with my fingers. I don't do any of that. If you're interested on how I use Rizos curls step by step, please keep watching. Alright guys, so I just got out of the shower. My hair is extremely wet still, which is what we want. Try to avoid going upside down and drying your hair with a towel because that will not help your hair and these products. It needs to be wet. As you can see, my hair is still very tingly from yesterday. I did wear my hair curly yesterday. It was like day 2 of not washing it but still having the kind of curls, and it just went into frizz. So I really like a fresh wash curl. In today's video, I will be using a diffuser, but when I first started using my Rizos products, I did not use a diffuser, so it is possible too. I'm going to show you some pictures of the curls I did get without using a diffuser, but in today's video, I will use a diffuser. I did get mine at Marshall's for $24.99, and that's kind of cheap because Target had them for like $50, and I did not want to spend an arm and a leg. So of course, the products you are going to need to go ahead and accomplish this look is your Rizos curls and your refresh and detangle spray and a brush. I did clean out my brush, but it still has some hair I can't get out. I use this comb religiously. I have used Rizos now for a couple of days, in total maybe like a week, and I really love the way my hair has been coming out with this product. So I continue to use it. Alright, so first things first, while my hair is still wet, I'm going to go ahead and spray my hair in pieces with the detangle spray, and I'm just gonna do that until my entire head is full of just detangle spray, if that makes any sense. So I'm spraying the next section, and what I'm showing you today is how I do my hair, or how I've been doing my hair lately since letting my hair kind of breathe with my curls. The Texas heat really allows my curls to really come out. So this is how I do my hair. If you have any tips or tricks in the comments, please let me know down below, and I would love to know more about it. So as you can see, I have a really big tangle right in here. So I'm gonna go ahead and spray that, and then I'm going to comb it out, and it comes out super easy. It doesn't hurt my head. I'm not going all the way down. I think it could be the comb that I'm using too. It's important that you use a really good comb for your hair type. So now we're gonna go in on the other side, and this looks like a tragedy. Look at that rat's nest. It is so bad. I feel like it's gonna hurt, but it's not. It's not gonna hurt because we have the detangle spray. This is very, very oily, so as it drops down to the floor, it will grease up your floors a little. At least that's what I'm encountering with my floors. They're legit arguing out there. My daughter and dog are fighting. So, more detangle spray, more. I use this religiously for getting my knots out. You might think that I'm doing this pretty hard, but I'm not tender-headed, so the faster and the more this gets out, the better. It's still pretty wet, even if I have been letting it air dry. That's what you want. Other thing that I have found so helpful is I actually don't part my hair down the middle anymore when I do leave it natural. I go ahead and let my natural part kind of show up without me forcefully doing it. That helps a lot too. So we're gonna go ahead and give it one more good brush. Brush this back. Keep brushing it back. I don't want it to fall just yet. So after I go ahead and brush it out with the detangle spray, I will go ahead and take the Rizos Curls Light Hold Gel. I know there could be another step to this, but I only purchased the detangle and the Rizos Light Hold Gel, so I'm going to go ahead and show you how I do this. I do it in increments. I only put a little bit, scrunch, and then I diffuse. So I'm gonna go ahead and scrunch, and then diffuse. I use a little bit per section. So now I'm gonna go ahead and take the next section and get like a dime size amount, rub it into my hands, and just kind of scrunch all the way to the top. This process is fairly easy. If you don't have a diffuser, you could just keep scrunching until you add more product. So I am going to keep scrunching, make sure I've got the back. I am even going to flip my hair over and I'm going to scrunch. So after the scrunching process, this is what it looks like wet. So as you can see, they are starting to form. This is my blow dryer with the diffuser that I got at Marshall's for $24.99. And this was a really big steal. So if you're in the market for hot tools, make sure Marshall's and TJ Maxx is like your first place to go. I went ahead and diffused a little, not where it's completely dry. So now I'm gonna go ahead and get the gel and I'm gonna add more product. Like I said, I'm gonna do it in increments until it's completely dry. And I did watch a YouTube video that Rizos does have on their YouTube channel explaining this process. So I will go ahead and link that down below so that if any of you are curious, you can go ahead and watch that video yourself. Now that I added more product, I'm gonna go ahead and diffuse again. I do this about 3 times, so we still have about one more diffuser and one more gel to do. So let's go ahead and get started. So the second time I diffuse is done. I have one more time to go in with product and the diffuser, so I'm gonna go ahead and keep scrunching. I want to make sure that all of the product goes to the top as well. As you can see, it is almost dry and it's drying very, very beautifully. I love the way that it comes out with the diffuser, but also it looks so good when you don't diffuse. So if you don't have a diffuser, don't worry about it, it's not necessary. But I wanted to see what it looked like with a diffuser and it changed my life. So when diffusing, I do want to go ahead and add this tip for you guys. When diffusing, grab the ends and kind of place it into the diffuser so that it all gets inside and gets dry. That is the best way that I have found that it works for me. Also, it's very, very simple to do, so I didn't want to trouble my life with going above and beyond. This is literally like fast steps to how I achieve my curly hair. I'm a mom and I'm actually on the go right now, so I wanted to show you what this really is like when it's fast paced and it's coming out great. I love Rizos products so much because I cannot get this with Tresemme or any other type of gel. We've had so many gels, especially because my husband is in this household, so we've tried so many gels out and I have never had my curls looking like this. It did naturally part down the middle, and I will probably go ahead and just like get it a little crazy up there so it doesn't look as straight. But this is what it looks like. I love it so, so much. If you want to see if you have any curls like this, I definitely recommend diffusing. It looks so, so good. Alright guys, that was it for today's video. I definitely have a lot of reviving to do for my hair still. As you can see, there are still parts that do have like heat damage where it's like still kind of straight and not as curly as the rest. But if you're looking to embrace your curls, I definitely recommend Rizos products. Like now, go to Target or go to Ulta and find these products. So don't be afraid to embrace your natural hair with these products because they do wonders. A long time coming with accepting my natural beauty, and this is part of the process of me accepting who I am, is accepting my hair as well. So if you're on the same journey as I am, make sure to go ahead and try these products because it will change your life. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I really hope that you got some insight. I will go ahead and link down Rizos Curls YouTube video where they do step-by-step on how to achieve the curly hair look. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time, guys. Bye.